Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Krista. Today I'm going to be trying out some new products by NYX, so if you guys want to see me try these products out, then just continue to keep watching. Hey guys, so I am finally back with a new makeup video. I recently just posted a vlog, so if you guys want to see that, I will go ahead and link that down below or just add it on like a timestamp here. Go ahead and check that out. It's a birthday vlog and it was super fun to film that. Let me know if you guys like it and I will be sure to do more for you. And today we're gonna be going back to makeup. So I got some new products by NYX. I just saw these on the new at Ulta products. So I have the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. I got mine in the shade Taupe, and then along to go with that, I got the brow glue. I think this is supposed to give you that really fluffy brow look. So yeah, we're gonna try that out. And then I also got the NYX Marshmallow Primer and the Marshmallow Blender. This literally looks like a little marshmallow. So that was interesting. I just wanted to try this out especially because it's just a different kind of blender, so I thought that was kind of cool. And then I also got the Shine Loud Gloss. I'm not sure what shade this is. It's a nude shade. If I figure it out, I'll just put it up on the screen and link it down below, of course. So we're just gonna be coming back with a trying new products kind of video. So if you guys want to see me try these products out, then just keep watching. The first products I want to try out are the brow products. My brows need some help right now. I mean, they're not too bad, but yeah. So like I said, I got it in the shade Taupe. I just feel like Taupe always works for me. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. And this is what the wand looks like, or the pen. I don't typically use products like these, so I don't know how well I'll do using it, but I'm gonna try to do my best. So I guess I'm just gonna start off by doing little strokes. Oops. Seems to be doing a little something. And then I'm just gonna follow along the top here and try it. And I always like to comb up my brows out in between. This doesn't have a spoolie on it, so I'm just gonna do that myself with my little brush here. So yeah, I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long. I just feel like I needed a little break and now I'm back. I just wasn't feeling like any inspo. So now I'm back. I just felt like trying out some new products would be fun, and we'll see how these products do. I've kind of been focused on my Instagram and I've been doing like reels and stuff like that. So if you guys don't follow me on there, I will put my name up here and then I'll link my page down below. But yeah, I've kind of been more focused on Instagram lately. I do like the shade that I picked out and I feel like this is really easy to use. I still miss using like an actual brow pencil. I just feel like that's my comfort zone, but I feel like this looks pretty good. So we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna go ahead and try on this eyebrow. I usually like to start from like the middle and then go down to the tail here. I just made that really long. Well, it's easy to wipe away just in case like you make mistakes or anything. I do like this so far though. I feel like my brows look pretty good. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. This is just first impressions. I just don't feel totally comfortable using this, but it's like still coming out really good. Yeah, I definitely, first thoughts, I like this so far. And I'm gonna go ahead and carve my brows out a little bit, and I think that's gonna make it look even better. And then we'll go ahead and try the brow gel. Okay, this is what we are looking like. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Now that I concealed and just carved out my brows, I think they look really nice. A little bit darker than what I'm used to, I think. But yeah, generally I think they look pretty good. So now I'm gonna try out the brow glue. Okay, it's really cute. It's like a tiny little bottle. So that's what it looks like. This is the wand. It's like a little tiny baby wand, so cute. But it almost seems like, yeah, it definitely seems like very jelly when you take it out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Just do my normal, go up. I haven't been doing this as much, but I'm excited to try this one out and see how well it does. It definitely has a different texture to it compared to, like, say, the Anastasia brow gel, if you ever use that. That's what I normally use. This definitely seems like it has a little bit more hold, where it's gonna hold those brows up. So yeah, I do like this. I just feel like you could possibly go through it really quickly, but it does leave a really like sticky feel. I don't even think you need to go over it twice because I just did it there and now I feel like it looks kind of weird. I would definitely say go over it once. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, definitely one time is enough, because if not, it almost like feels a little weird on your brows and I don't like that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It definitely does a good job of getting them to stay up and give you that really like fluffy look. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little eyeshadow look. I don't have anything like that that's new. And then after that, we'll go ahead and try these products out. I'm gonna try the primer, and then I'm also gonna use my concealer and foundation and blend it out with this and see how it does. Okay, so I just finished up my eyes. I used the Anastasia Renaissance palette. I haven't used that in so long. And then I just put some lashes on. I don't even know what the name of these lashes are or what brand. I just had them sitting in a compact mirror as ones that I had already used. But now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with actually the Marshmallow Primer. Super excited to try this. Typically with primers, I just apply it by hand. This is what it looks like when you pump it out. It has like a nice sweet smell to it, but it's not like overpowering or anything. And it definitely feels like the texture of it is very like marshmallowy, like very light. So yeah, that left like a nice, I feel like dewy look to my skin. Feels very hydrating. And I already put moisturizer on before this too. But yeah, that's what we're looking like. So we'll have to see how foundation sits on top of it. And then I'm gonna be using the Born This Way matte foundation today. And then I'm gonna use my Marshmallow blender to blend this out. So this is what it looks like. It, like I said, it literally looks like a marshmallow. I'm gonna go ahead and wet this down. And it does have like a little heart kind of stamp looking thing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's faintly on there, and it's like a light baby pink color. And I kind of matched my shirt to the packaging for this because I love this like pastel pink color. I think it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna take a couple pumps of my foundation. And I'm just gonna try it on one side and then I'll try it on the other side after, because I feel like this foundation dries really fast. So I'd rather try it like that first. And I put a little bit on my neck too, because I have like a little bit of a breakout that happened there. So now it's just kind of acne scars that I'm trying to get rid of. But it looks a lot better than it did weeks ago. I had a lot of, I think it's like hormonal acne that goes on in those areas. So let me know what you guys have heard about that. But I always break out right along like my jawline and then my neck. But I think I do have a tendency to touch those areas with my hands. So I think that's what it is, but I'm not 100% sure. I really like this so far. It's blending out really well for foundation anyways. I'm excited to try it with concealer too and see how that does. But yeah, I think it did a pretty like flawless job of blending this out. Okay, let's try the other side. I'm just gonna try it actually like applying it to the sponge and then applying it right to my face instead of dotting it on. And I feel like you get a little bit more coverage in the Beauty Blender, not gonna lie. I definitely see that. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but I feel like I'm getting more use out of the product by using this. And you can see it covered up the acne areas pretty well. I'm gonna do my neck, even though here I'm not really broken out. Just wanna make sure everything matches up. It's very soft too. Like it really pushes in well. So it does a good job of blending it out. That's what we're looking like right now. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I believe I have mine in the shade, okay, Nougatine. I definitely need a lighter shade than this. I'm gonna go back to Vanilla after I finish this one up. Okay, so I'm gonna try the other side. Not that I think it makes a difference. I think both sides are exactly the same, but let's try the clean side. And it does a good job if you've done eyeshadow. Just having that really flat end helps with just kind of lining that all up. Okay, my camera died, but we are back. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do this on the other side. It is a little bit harder to kind of get in those crevice areas, but you can kind of take it from the side right here, like kind of how I'm doing right now, and get in those crevices if you really need to. Okay, so I'm just going to set my face and do bronzer and blush and all that stuff, and then I'll be back to try out the lip product. Okay guys, so I am back. The last product that we're gonna be trying out is the Shine Loud Magic Maker lipstick. Like I said, I don't know what shade I picked out. It doesn't say it on here. So it has two different ends to it. One is like a gloss, just a clear gloss, and then one is the actual color. I was debating if I should line my lips first, because I usually like to do that, but I want to show you guys what it looks like without that. So this is what the applicator looks like on the actual lip color portion. So I'm just going to start applying that. A little bit darker than I thought it was going to be. I like this applicator though. Okay, so I like this. It is a little bit darker than what I would normally go for. Get a little here. But it makes it really easy with this applicator to not use a lip liner. So yeah, this is what the color looks like. So this is obviously matte. So this is the matte side, and then if you want to make it glossy, you can. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the gloss part. This is what the applicator looks like on the gloss portion, and we're just gonna apply that on top. Super glossy. Really good formula. Feels really hydrating. Doesn't feel too sticky or anything like that. I don't know which side I necessarily liked better, but I'm gonna dab a little bit of this off because I don't want it too glossy. I think I might have liked this color that I had picked a little bit better as matte. But yeah, this is the completed look, and I've really had fun trying out these products. Let me know what you guys think, or if you're gonna purchase any of these products down in the comments below, and let me know if there's any videos that you guys want me to do or new products you want me to test out. I love testing new products for you guys. So just leave that down in the comments below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!